What is it?
It's a squirrel wind-up thing.
It's a wind-up squirrel. Can you show me what he does?
Yeah.
All right, show me. Here we go.
What's mine? Go, Rolly Polly.
What is he holding?
I don't know what that is.
You don't remember? It's an acorn.
Why is he eating it?
Because he's hungry and he's spinning around with it. Yeah? That's pretty cool. Let's see how fast they can go.
Yeah!
You should race them. So you can go spin the fastest. Okay, spin, spin, spin. Spin them, spin them, spin them. Okay, spin it all the way. And then when I tell you go, wait. Oh, he's scooting. There he goes. There goes Jules. That is so cool. There he goes.
I'm going to spin with him.
Okay, there he goes, around and around and around. Do it again. Show me how you do it again. There goes Emma spinning with hers. Are you spinning, Emma? Uh-oh. All right, do yours.
Okay.
Show me how you do it. Did you spin all out, Emma? Yeah? All right, Joel's going to wind hers up. Wind it, wind it, wind it. There goes Emma. Are you ready, Joel? All right, here we go. Is that pretty cool?
Ah! Come here, you. Don't eat that egg.
Wow, we found these at Walgreens. They were only 69 cents.
Yeah.
Pretty cool, huh? I think he's so cute. Look at
They're
him.
adorable.
Do it again. Spin it again.
Okay.
Go, go, go. There goes Emma. Go, Emma, go. Oh. All right, Joel. You ready? Did you wind them up? Here we go. Okay, here we go. Round and around and around he goes. Here we go. Yay!
You got these shovels at Walgreens.
Yep, we got these shovels too. You gonna scoop them up? Scoop them up with your shovel. Joel, we don't get the dog with the shovel. Scoop up. Here, get your squirrel. Show me your shovel. Hey, Joel. Joel's gonna get the dog. No. You wanna scoop up your squirrel? Scoop, scoop, scoop.
So he doesn't poop on the floor.
He's you know what? There he is. Look at these shovels. You're looking for some shovels. I know summer's over. We found these Doc McStuffins, and Joel got the frozen shovels. They were on clearance on the shelves for 50 cents. Pretty cool. All right, so I think we're gonna play with our little squirrel. What was the name again?
Roly Poly.
Roly Poly. You Roly Poly. Arr.
Hey, why am I eating it?
Don't eat it. That's his food. Hey, don't eat it. Don't eat it. That's mine.
Okay. Why is he picking my nose?
Ew, he's giving you a kiss. All right, until next time. Everybody say bye.
Bye. Thumb up for Toodles.
Thumbs up for Toodles. Yep, that's our dog Toodles. All right, bye.
Thumbs up for Bubba too.
Yeah.